Alright. Video. Trying to see if this gonna work. I am officially parked on the road at my job. As you can see, I'm on this motherfucking bus. So, like I say, as long as your PS5 is in sleep mode, that you can always connect as long as you got Wi-Fi. I'm plugged up to Wi-Fi, as you can see. I still do. Oh, we on, bro. We on. We good. Y'all heard it from me first. Well, I ain't the first one to tell you. I'm pretty sure everybody gonna say it. But yeah, if you want to play this in anywhere, just leave your game in sleep mode. You don't gotta lug down no more. You play this anywhere, any and everywhere. But this is streaming, so I ain't gonna hop on Call of Duty. I'm gonna get my ass smoked. I'm gonna do something simple like GTA. We good. With y'all later.